Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Vizio Smart TV. I'm going to show you how to factory reset back to original default settings, okay? So very simple. So the first thing you got to do is go ahead and grab your remote. And what I want you to do is I want you to find the menu button here. So tap on menu right here. Tap on menu. And then once you bring up menu, top left-hand side, you see the TV settings here. Now what I want you to do is I want you to scroll all the way down to where you see system. Tap on OK. And then from here we want to go all the way down to where it says on the very bottom, reset and admin. So if we go all the way down here, now I'm going to press on OK. And on the very top there, the first one, it says reset to factory settings. Okay, so from here, we're going to simply go ahead and click on OK. And now this message here pops up and it says to select reset to restore all TV settings to factory defaults. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on reset, or you can click on cancel. I just did a factory reset on this TV, so I'm not going to go ahead and proceed with it. But I had an issue with my Netflix, and I did a factory reset, and now everything works with Netflix again. Anyways, if you go ahead and continue with the reset, it's going to eventually reboot, restart your the Vizio Smart TV, and then it'll restore everything back to factory defaults, as if you just bought it brand new and took it out of your box. And that's when you have to set it up, your like English, set up your Wi-Fi and stuff like that. Anyways, any questions, comment below. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.